Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to clear cache from Google Chrome. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Chrome. To clear cache, first of all go to these three dots on the top right. Then after that go to this clear browsing data. Or you can simply type Ctrl, Shift and Delete simultaneously from your keyboard. Click on this and over here you will find this interface. Over here you can see browsing history, cookies and cache. To clear cache, you can just uncheck this browsing history and cookies. Also you can check these cookies as well. Now you can see I have selected this cache and cookies. Here is time range. You can select your time range from here. You can go anywhere from last hour to all time. For now, I'll click on this all time. After that, you can see your cache size which will be freed after you hit this clear data. It will clear up 199 MB of my cache. Now, I'll go with this clear data. Click on this and you can see cache is clear from my Google Chrome. In this way, we can clear cache from our Google Chrome. If you have any confusion, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.